हेलो एवरीवन, आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर फाइन, सेफ एंड हेल्दी। सो आज मैं जा रहा हूँ इसी फेलबर्ग सिटी में। एक प्लेस है जिसका नाम है बेरगरेन, और आप उसको श्लोसबर्ग भी बोल सकते हैं, जो कि इसी फेलबर्ग के बिल्कुल सिटी में ही है। और वो एक माउंटेन का टॉप है और उसके ऊपर एक फोर्ट बना हुआ है। वो फोर्ट तो ऑलमोस्ट इस वक्त पूरा टूट चुका है, लेकिन उसकी कुछ इंडिकेशन, कुछ निशानात जो हैं वो हैं। और उसके अलावा उसके टॉप से इस वेलबर्ग सिटी का पूरा का व्यू आता है। तो अभी मैं वहाँ जा रहा हूँ। आज की एक फ़र्स्ट मेरी एक्टिविटी, अभी मैंने नाश्ता किया है और अभी सुबह के ऑलमोस्ट 10 बज रहे हैं। अभी मैं वहाँ जा रहा हूँ और आज मैं आपको वहाँ का दिखाता हूँ, और वहाँ से आप वेलबर्ग सिटी को टॉप से देखते हैं। और देन फर्दर आपको आज की एक्टिविटी दिखाऊँगा। और अभी मेरे यहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट 3 दिन और हैं, तो आगे आपको मज़ीद और दिखाऊँगा। तो अभी चलते हैं, लेट्स गो। So guys, I came from this way. Now there is the view of this forest. Now moving upward further. So from here we can see a one view of the city. So I will show you. So guys, this is the main door of this schloss. So I'm reached at the schloss place on the top of mountain. So I will show you further. But this schloss has only these walls. So I will show you further these walls and the history. So let's go inside. So guys, as you can see, this is the place of that schloss, and yeah, this is the only walls of this schloss, and at the top of this mountain, and here down you can see the top view of Vellburg city. So this schloss was constructed in 1100, and but yet there's only walls are here. Everything is demolished, and you can see these walls, and you can imagine the history of this fort on the top of this mountain. So here you can see the view. See this small village from the top of this fort. I'm standing right now at the top of this fort. So this is a small view. So now I'm going back downward. I'm back now, and now I am at home, and I will show you my further activities of today. So let's go to the home. Show you my today activity. Right now I am at the place of Walhalla. तो मैंने कहा आज आपको भी साथ साथ दिखाऊं, साथ साथ आपको भी एक्सपीरियंस कराऊं इस प्लेस का। तो आज का मेरा ये छोटा सा वीलॉग इस वॉलहला प्लेस के लिए है। तो ये जो वॉलहला प्लेस है इसका मैं थोड़ा सा आपको बताता चलूँ कि इस प्लेस पे जर्मनी और जो यूरोप के जो फेमस साइंटिस्ट और जो फेमस पॉलिटिशियन हैं उन सब के स्टैचू रखे हुए हैं। तो अभी आपको मैं आज वो प्लेस दिखाऊंगा। और ये प्लेस डैन्यूब रिवर के किनारे पर है बवेरिया स्टेट में। तो अभी मैं उसकी पार्क प्लेस में खड़ा हूँ, पार्किंग प्लेस में। तो अभी चलते हैं और आपको मैं वो दिखाता हूँ। तो लेट्स गो विद मी। So this is the place of Walhalla, and someone called it Walhalla. So this is the main place on the top of this mountain, and I will show you further inside about this place and will give you detail about further of this place. So guys, this is the detail about this building Walhalla, and as you can see, this building is built in 1842, like in the 19th century. This is all the detail with the opening times and everything, and its name is Walhalla. Yeah, so we'll show you further. So guys, on the top of this Walhalla place there is a front view, and there is a front river outside of this Walhalla. This river is Danube river in English, and in German it's called Donau river, and it's basically Danube river. So yeah, you can see that river outside of this Walhalla. So, and the city as well. So this is the front side of this place, so I will show you further. So guys, right now I am inside of this building Walhalla, and you can see at the wall of this building Walhalla, these are the all of the scientists and the famous person of Deutschland and Europe. Like these persons belong to politicians or maybe some scientists and all of these. So these are the statues of those persons. So as you can see, this is the whole inside of this building. You can see the Ludwig I king from this Bavaria state. So this is the statue of Ludwig I's king. So he is one of the, the king and one of the famous person of this Deutschland. So you can see the statue of this king, and from the right of this statue and from the left of this statue you can see the other persons and their statues like under, and the name of those persons are written under those statues. So here is the Ludwig I king, and he belongs to the Bavaria state. Show you the statue of Albert Einstein. As you can see at the end, here is the statue of Albert Einstein, one of the famous scientists of Deutschland. this last statue of the Albert Einstein. So guys, here in center you can see Carl Friedrich Gauss. He is one of the famous mathematician of the Deutschland, and yeah, and further you can see the other politician and the famous personnel of the Deutschland and the Europe. So now guys, I'm going outside and I will show you further this building from the outside. So yeah, let's go outside of this building. So guys, this is the front side of this building, and now I am standing here and I will go further down, and will show you further from the down the view of this building. So this is the front side, and yeah, you can see these stairs out there. It's really classic view from the outside of this building. So I will go further down and will show you from down. And you can see the view of this Walhalla from the down here. And yeah, I came from these stairs, and there's the front view of this Walhalla. So, and from these Walhalla there is a view of whole Danube river. So now I'm further going upward again on these stairs. So let's go again. We are going back to house, and here's the view of this building. So guys, I'm just reached home from the Walhalla place, and right now I'm in my room, so I'm a little bit tired today. And right now it's 6 p.m. and after 1 hour I have to cook the biryani here. And yeah, this family requested me to cook the any Pakistani dishes, any famous Pakistani dishes. So right now I have the plan to cook the biryani today for the dinner. So I will cook today maybe after 1 hour, and yeah, we'll show you my further little activity of the today. So guys, right now I'm cooking this famous Pakistani dish biryani, and now I'm making this masala chicken masala of biryani, and the rice is now cooking right now. So let's see how it's gonna cook today.